What do you want? What do you want? What? What do you want? Use your words. What do you want, Coco? What do you want? You want your food? Are you hungry? Look at me. Hey, what do you want? What do you want? Are you hungry? Yeah? Use your words. Tell me. Yeah? Oh, really? You hungry? You're oh. Okay. Okay. So go get your food. Okay. Go get your food. Go get it. Go get it. I'm going. Where is it? Where is it? So right there. Okay. Sit. Good boy.